Oh, baby, look at that. If you guys didn't see yesterday's video of us putting this on, make sure to go watch that because it was a pain in the ass, but it looks freaking awesome. Completely changes the whole look of the front end of the truck. And I am absolutely in love with it. But today, we're gonna do something else to also change the front end of the truck a little bit. Some of you guys might know, I bought these a while ago, expecting to, well, the original plan was not to get the full replacement bumper and everything. I was just gonna get like a bull bar for the front, and then in the frame rails, I was gonna put these little like clevis hooks or whatever you want to call them. And yeah, that's kind of the plan for today. The reason I didn't put them in before is because I didn't know if they would fit with this bumper. But you can see here, my frame is still, you know, still accessible. And these will fit right in there. And then we got my little tow hooks down there. Because this bumper, like, I mean, really, yeah, I mean, I could pull on it and shit, and there would be ways to, you know, like, I could hook right into this if I wanted to, like, to pull people out of the mud and stuff, but it'd be a lot easier if I just had, you know, two hooks on either side, and they're, you know, I wish they kind of came out a little bit more, like you could see them a little bit better, but it does add a little bit of something else to the truck, so that's the plan for today. Alright, so I got these on here. I used some bolts that I had laying around actually. Got them on there. Welded the side of it just to give it a little bit more strength because it's only one bolt, and I just welded it to keep it from going up and down like if someone's pulling on it or something. So they're not going nowhere. I'm actually getting better at welding. Honestly, you guys saw the weld that I just did there. That's better than the ones I was doing yesterday. So yeah, but I've got these here shackles and got one on each side, so it looks a lot better honestly with them on there. It gives a nice little bit of accent to the bumper, even though they're actually not even on the bumper. It just kind of accents the underneath with some more orange, so it's not all black, and I think it looks a lot better. And it's in the frame too, so it's not like they're mounted on the bumper. Like I drilled a hole through here and mounted on the bumper and could risk pulling the bumper off or something. If I'm really like these hooks are for pretty much if someone's stuck or I'm stuck, someone can just really freaking pull on that and not have to worry about ripping off a bumper or anything. It's right here on the frame. So that's what these are really for. I still am going to probably put a winch, or I definitely am going to put a winch on here at some point, but these are just more for the brute force pulling kind of thing. In the back, I really don't have any way to pull anybody. All they have in these Ford bumpers are these holes here. So they're not really all that great. And yeah, so maybe at some point when I get a new bumper, rear bumper, I'll find somewhere to put some more of those hooks, or not the hooks, the kind of shackles, clevis mounts, whatever the fuck I want to call them. Find somewhere else to put some more of those in the rear, but I think it just really sets it off. It just really makes it look a whole lot better. I did go through, so you can see what I also did today is I got my top bolt in. Last night they only had one on the bottom. I got the one on the top also. I welded that. It was real hard to get in there because I couldn't get my welding helmet in there, so I just kind of like tacked it a whole bunch of times and yeah, did that, put the bolt through it and stuff. So the bumper's not going anywhere now. It's held in by 4 bolts. It's secured with this piece of metal across the top, so it shouldn't go anywhere. And yeah, that's pretty much what we got done today. We got this done and got the bumper secure. So try to get the hell out of there. It's actually easier to stand up. It's easier to stand up now because I can grab onto that and pull on it. But yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If this video kind of helped you out a little bit, if you guys are wondering how you want to mount shackles and shit, I just bought these shackles on Amazon, and this metal piece that was silver that I undercoated black, I just bought those on Amazon. They're just kind of like shackle mounts, and this is probably like a couple bucks, and these were like a couple bucks too. So it's pretty cheap stuff, and with a bolt you don't even need to weld it. You can have yourself some shackles there. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe down below. Also, if you guys didn't see the video last night when we put the bumper on, make sure to go watch that. Yeah, just it was a pretty damn good one there. Alrighty guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you all for watching.